Hello everyone, today we're going to make Python detect Cristiano Ronaldo's face in a single image using just 10 lines of code. No complex setup, no deep learning, just OpenCV magic. So let's get started, and the first thing we need to do is create a main.py file. After that, let's download an image and put it in the same file space as our file. Next, open up your terminal and type in pip install opencv-python in order to install OpenCV. Now we're going to get right into coding. You can follow along with the video while I explain what each line does. The first line, where we import CV2, gives us all the tools we need to make our code. Next, we have face cascade is equal to cv2.cascade classifier, and there we load the pre-trained hard cascades for frontal faces. This is a pre-trained classifier for detecting frontal faces, and OpenCV comes with the XML files containing the features and the parameters for face detection. Next, we give our code access to our image. Here, we take our image and convert it into numbers so we can actually input it to our classifier. Next, we convert this image to grayscale because it makes it more computationally efficient for the model, and it actually doesn't even hinder any performance whatsoever. After that, we can run the hard cascade detector on the grayscale image. Here, detect multiscale scans the image at different scales to detect faces of different sizes. Here, 1.3 is our scale factor, and 5 is sort of how sure we want our model to be when it actually makes a square. After that, we have this for loop that loops over each detected face, and what we want OpenCV to do is we want OpenCV to draw a rectangle around each face. And lastly, we make OpenCV draw a blue square around each of the faces with a thickness of 2. We're almost done. Let's do cv2.imshow and then the title of what our screen's going to be, and then we're going to actually have it plot our image. After that, we do cv2.waitKey0, and it's going to wait for key input to destroy, and that's when we tell cv2 to destroy all windows once we're done, not to have anything running afterwards. And essentially after that, we're done. So let's go to terminal and run our program, and as you can see, OpenCV detects the face of Cristiano Ronaldo, and as you can see, it draws a blue square with a thickness of 2 pixels. That's incredible, and you can try it for yourself with different images. They could have multiple people in it, and you can see how CV2 performance. Go ahead and try it yourself. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.